Together, we will use the Out of Milk app to add sales tax, quantity, coupons, and the price for each item. This will help us to maintain a $50 per week grocery budget. Select Settings to add a 6% sales tax. Next, select the first item, followed by the quantity and type, then enter the unit price for the item. Let's add coupons to some of our items. Select the item, the quantity and type, choose I have a coupon, then enter the type and amount of the coupon, followed by the unit price of the item. Notice that the list total is $42.77. This amount is less than our $50 per week grocery budget.